What's up, guys? We're back. Frostibus is up. As you can see, we have new heroes here. So this displays the rare costumes of Frostibus 2024. See, good pressure. There you go. You have Oracle, Void, Bounty, Muerta, so on. And this one looks good. Another good set for um who's this hero again? Snapfire. I think the best costume for me here is Veno. Looks fun, so I won't demo it. You can demo it in your own. But as you can see, Veno has three um items in this bundle: the set, the ward, and also the taunt. Yeah. Um, Surprisingly, this Willow doesn't have effects in her skills at all. But for SD, his first skill is something like this. Yeah. And of course, the Prestige Arcana, the VR. So today we're gonna open three treasure. Let's go. Nice. The first one looks nice. I think it will have a great value because it includes uh persona in it. Okay, let's open another one. Faceless boy. Open another. So for third opening, we're gonna skip it. Page. Then open another one. I hope we can get like two or three of this rare. Because we have 13 chests today. Yeah. Open another. Venom. Oh no! So the third one we're gonna skip. It's a hoodwink. We have seven more chests. So I think it's gonna fall now. Murda. Whoa, the ulti looks cool. Yeah. Okay, not bad. Can skip this one. So we already opened 9 chests. 4 more to go. Oh shit! The first rare! The first rare is the Willow and the Primal. Damn, looks good, man. Open another one. Anti-mage. I really want to get the Snapper and the Shadow Demon. Damn. Yeah! So we have how many chests left? I think this is the last chest. Okay, so before we open the last chest, subscribe to this channel and get a chance to win what's your favorite bundle for Frostibus. Go. Rare, please. Rare. Oh, good damn. Okay, that's all. Good luck to you guys.